Good morning, class 7 children. Children, yesterday we discussed the half of the part of the mock paper. So today we'll continue with the rest of the part. So the next part of the mock paper is a case study. Case study will be of 10 marks. Either 2 marks questions will be there or 1 mark questions. So first case study is in front of you. That is, read the following paragraph and you need to give the answer. A simple pendulum consists of a small metallic bob suspended through a rigid strand by a thread. Nowadays, most of the clocks have an electric circuit with one or more cells. A year was fixed at as the time taken by the earth to complete one revolution of the sun. Clocks or watches are perhaps the most common time measuring devices. So children, on the basis of this paragraph, we need to answer the following questions. I want each one of you to kindly raise hand. First question is that in ancient time, how 1 year was calculated? So in ancient time, you need to tell that how yes, Vedika, 1 year was calculated.
Yes, ma'am. A year was fixed as the time taken by the earth to complete one revolution of the sun.
Okay, so it was a time taken, means 1 year. When the earth completes one revolution, then 1 year was calculated. Okay, thank you. Next is, what type of motion can be observed in the clocks? Yes, Van Sharma.
Ma'am, periodic motion.
Yes, periodic motion. And can you tell what is a periodic motion? Periodic motion
Yes,
is
Yes, ma'am. When which the motion repeats in equal intervals is called the periodic motion.
a type of a motion which repeats itself after a regular interval of time, that's known as a periodic motion. Next, name 2 devices used to measure time in earlier times. Which devices we were using to measure the time? Kindly name that. Anybody else other than Van Sharma or Vedika? Anybody else can give? Many of the devices were there, children, which were used earlier. Kindly raise hand. Yes, Nabil.
Ma'am, sundial.
You need to give 2 names, 2 devices. One is a sundial, and what about the other? Which can the other one?
Ma'am, water clock.
Water clock, sand clock. Sand clock, water clock, sundial, they were used to measure the time earlier. Next, define simple pendulum and on which principle does it work? So simple pendulum, what is it and on which principle it is based? This direct question is given in the paragraph. What is a simple pendulum? Yes, Anya Jain. What is a simple pendulum? Anya, unmute yourself. Yes, Mahi.
Ma'am, simple pendulum is a machine that consists of simple metallic ball suspended through a right stand by a thread.
Okay, the first line can be there. Anya, you want to give the answer? A simple pendulum consists of a small metallic ball suspended through a rigid stand by the thread. So you may write down. And on what principle does it based? Which principle? Can anybody guess? On which principle does it based? Yes, children? Yes, Mukul Jain, you know the principle on which it is based?
Ma'am, I think it is on the pendulum.
Pendulum. Yes, tell.
Ma'am, it is on periodic motion.
It is based on the principle of periodic motion because pendulum, after the discovery of the pendulum, the scientists were able to measure the accurate measurement of the time. So pendulum is based on the principle of periodic motion. Okay. So this was our question number 1. Next comes question number 2. Wires made from some special materials melt quickly and break when large electric currents are passed through them. These wires are used for making electric fuses. In all buildings, fuses are inserted in all electric circuits. there is a maximum limit on the current which can safely flow through the circuit. So children, you know, for the safety measure, the fuses are added. Okay. So your question number 1 is, which device is used instead of a fuse in electric circuit? Nowadays, which devices we are using in the electric circuit instead of fuse? Earlier, you know, we were using fuse. Kindly raise your hand, children. Switch on your cameras and raise your hand. Yes, Vedika. Which device is used?
Ma'am, MCB.
Yes, MCB we are using. Can I have the full name of it?
Miniature circuit breaker.
Yes. So instead of fuse, children, in an electric circuit, we are using MCB. So MCB, you know, that is a miniature circuit breaker. Everybody has seen the MCB at your home. Have you seen, children? There is some where at your home, there is a box where many of the switches are there. That is known as MCB. And sometime due to the overloading or due to the short circuiting, the MCB may fall, the switch may fall down. And simply you can do it yourself. You need to switch on it again, your system or the light that start functioning. Okay. Number 2, which metal is used to make the wire of electric fuse? Yes, tell me. And write its property also. Yes, Mahi.
Copper wire is used to make.
No. Copper wire is not used. There is a special kind of a wire which is used in the fuse. The wire used, anybody else want to tell? Guess, at least you can guess which metal is used to make the wire of electric fuse. This
Zinc.
Yes, beta, kya? What? Yes, Vedika.
Ma'am, nichrome wire.
Yes, nichrome wire is used. Why nichrome? Because we need to give one property of it. What's the property of
Because there is low melting point.
Yes, because it has a low melting point. Whenever earlier we were using this nichrome wire, as soon as the current flows through it, heavy current flows through it, then what happens? That wire gets melt easily. That's why we are choosing the wire with a low melting point. Okay. So in number 2, which metal is used to make wire of electric fuse? That is a nichrome. And what is its property? It has low melting point. So children, kindly keep on writing the answers side by side. Otherwise, you will forget again. Number 3, Ram switched on various electrical appliances at his home. Suddenly, there was a power cut. What can be the possible reason for this happening? Children, read the questions very carefully. It's very interesting question. What Ram has done?
Can I?
Yes, Nabil. First of all, have you understood the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Batao.
Yes. Ma'am, wait a second.
Tell fast. Ram switched on various electrical appliances at same time. एक ही समय पे उसने बहुत से electrical appliances use कर लिए. So what can be the reason?
They all get heat up.
Yes, beta. Once you have to speak again. What?
Ma'am, they all get heat up, and ma'am, there was a one reason also, ma'am. Ma'am, he has to bring the iron.
Can I?
I didn't get the complete answer from your side, Vansh Sharma. Yes, Nabil, you may.
And the possible reason was that Ram on all appliances in the home and the load of electricity is increased the level of fuse. So fuse cut the circuit and light has gone.
Yes, children, what happened? In the question it is written that all appliances, various electrical appliances, suddenly he had switched on all together at his home. So what happens all together if all electrical appliances has been used? There is a overloading. Okay. Maybe due to the overloading, there was a power cut. So power cut, why it was there? Because the wire of the fuse get melt. So this word you have to write down, due to the overloading. So when you will switch on all the electrical appliances suddenly at your home, then what happens? Maybe due to the overloading, there was a power cut. The wire of a fuse that gets melt. So what can be the possible reason for this happening? So already we have given the reason. So these are the two reasons which can be there. Okay. Next is, let's move to the next part. Next part is your subjective paper. So 10 marks OTBA, 10 marks case study we have done. Now your question answers. Very short answer type questions. 2 marks, then 3 marks, then 5 marks. So let's start with it. Rest children also can give answer. Switch on your cameras, children. First is, when does a circuit is said to be overloaded? The same question just we have done. Only for the 2 marks you have to write down. When the circuit, yes, Tanvi, Anya, Vedang, Kavya, Abhigyan, Shivam, Yatharth, Karnika, Naman, Tushar. Give answers, children. Yes, Kavya, give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the circuit overload occurs when the amount of circuit flowing through the circuit exceeds the rating of the protective device.
Children, overloading just we have done when at a single time or in a single socket when you are switching on many of the devices. The excess of electricity is required at that time. This is known as overloaded. As the name is showing, overloading is that. Okay. So for 2 marks, that answer is enough. Next, Paheli and Bujo have to cover different distances to reach their school, but they take the same time to reach the school. What can you say about the speed? They have to cover different distances. Distance is different to reach their school, but they take same time to reach the school. Kindly read the question very carefully. What can you say about the speed? Yes, Nabil. Speed bhi, how will it be same or
Yes, ma'am.
different? Yes.
Ma'am, who has long distance to school has greater speed from other, and who has short distance to school has minimum speed from other.
Yes, because distances are different, but the time taken by them is same. Okay. So this example can be taken with you only. One of the child is there who is coming from Shahadra, and other is there who is coming from Dilshad Garden, but they take the same time to reach the school. Suppose they have taken 10 minutes to reach the school. Time is same. Now what will be the speed? The speed of the child who lives in Shahadra will be more as compared to the
train and aeroplane. Ma'am, like.
So in that case, the speed will be different. So the child who is living, who has to cover the longer distance, his speed will be more, and who has to cover the shorter distance, his speed will be less. So there will be a difference between the speed. Number 3, why is an electric fuse required in all electrical appliances? What is the use of this electric fuse? What is the use of electric fuse? What function does it perform? Kindly raise your hand. Yes, Lavish. Vedang. Use of fuse. What is the other name of fuse? We used to say it. Yes, Nabil.
Ma'am, all electrical appliances need fuse because all appliances can overload the electricity.
But
So
simply you can say, first of all, जो इलेक्ट्रिक आपका फ्यूज है, दैट इज अ सेफ्टी डिवाइस. Electric fuse is a safety device. Yes, it protects our all electrical appliances. Otherwise, there may be a fire. All electrical appliances are safe if we use the fuse, because it protect. And how this fuse is used as a safety device? Because the wire get melt if higher current is there. Only wire get melts, and rest all electrical appliances are safe. Next, number 4. One morning, as Paheli strolled in her garden, she noticed small plants which were not there for a week ago. She wondered where these plants have come from, as nobody has planted these plants. Explain the reason for the growth of these plants. So Paheli, when she was roaming in her garden, she saw few of the plants, but nobody planted that plants there. So what can be the reason for it? वो plants कहाँ से आए? Yes, Vansh Sharma.
And this is because of the seed dispersal. When seeds
Yes.
are dispersed away at the different places from the parent plant and through the means of wind, water, and animal, etc. So, ma'am, there is a reason of the wind.
Yes,
When
very
the wind
good.
carry the seeds here.
Yes. So children, you also must have seen that sometimes we do not grow that seeds, but the plants grow themselves. Okay, so that can be the reason for the seed dispersal. Very good, beta. The seeds are dispersed, as we have read, by the how the different ways are there for the seed dispersal. What are that ways? Through the wind.
Water, and animal.
Yes, wind, water, and animal. And one more was there, explosion. So these are the ways by which the seeds are dispersed. So this is the way how we can say the seeds are dispersed. So children, these were the questions of 2 marks.